All right, before we go over your class project, I just want to say a big thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please, please, please do me a favor. Give me a thumbs up and recommend this class, or even better yet, leave me a review. Even a simple thanks for this class will help raise this in the Skillshare ranking so that other people can find the class as well. If you have a friend who just got an iPad Pro or is new to Procreate, feel free to share this class with them. And if you have any questions or if anything didn't make sense in the videos, go ahead and leave me a question in the discussion section. I'm kind of a geek about being able to answer questions that I know the answers to, so if I can help you out, I'll be super excited to help you out. And finally, your class project is to share a time-lapse video of the art that you've created in Procreate. When you add it to the project section, don't forget to add a link to your Instagram or a link to your portfolio site so that anybody who's curious about your work can find more of you. I'm super excited to see what you guys create.